How to fix login error in Expedia. First, if you are facing any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to turn on your Wi-Fi. After that, you want to connect yourself to this. After that, you want to connect yourself to that. After that, you want to connect your device to a secure network and you wouldn't be facing any problems with the internet connection. However, about the login problem, you can simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and you want to start scrolling and navigate yourself to the Expedia application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall Application. What this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.